Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me. So I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys, my background is a little loud because my son and my husband's downstairs chatting it up. So excuse that. But we're going to get right into this video. Today's video is going to be a press reply again. I guess I should really name these series She Got Time Today. That's what I really should name these series, because I got time today. Today is February 8th, 2023. I'm going to show y'all on the screen just so you know I'm not lying, because I am a woman of receipts. So today, what I'm pressing reply on, or I got time today, is someone. Okay, so once again, I don't know if this comment meant to come off snarky, because for me, when you put a positive in front of a negative, I don't feel like it's super genuine. So for me, it came off just a little. But the comment read, you have lovely hair, but when you use a but, you basically erased everything that you said before. After you said but, you just erased everything that you said before the word but. So if you're actually trying to say, hey, I like your hair, you got lovely hair, period. Don't say nothing else after that. But the comment continued was, you have lovely hair, but I wish you wouldn't mislead your audience with the content in your description. Waist length hair fast. Okay, so for me, like I told you guys before, I don't mislead, and I most definitely show receipts, and I have my receipts. The video that I just previously uploaded before this video here, I just uploaded that video, and that's the video she's talking about of me misleading. So, I mean, even if her comment wasn't snarky or meant to sound like a troll, for me, I'm gonna most definitely come on here and show you guys receipts. You guys, that video that I just previously recorded of me having did my natural kinky twist with no extra hair added, that video was recorded September 25th, September 21st, and my hair was bra strap length. I continuously use my DIY oil, like I told you guys before, but I had cut off like 13 inches of my hair. If my title was misleading, like I told you guys before, which I don't believe my title was misleading, you have to make interesting titles and interesting thumbnails for people to click on the videos. And like I said in this particular comment, I can't jump on camera or jump in the comment section and argue with people that I know that truly don't follow my content. You are not a follower. So I can't sit up here and argue with people in the comment section. And that's why a lot of time I don't reply to people if they are being negative. And then also, I'm the type of person that don't take people negatively right off the rip, or else you could say something smart to me and I don't catch it, because I would rather choose to see the good in people than knowing that everybody's just bad. But I'm not a fool though. But like I've stated before, I pre-batch my videos, and with me pre-batching my videos, I know what really works and what really grows your hair. I am the test dummy here. I don't have a cosmetologist license, and I'm 100% straight up and honest with you guys. Everything that I've been doing with my hair, I've had several setbacks, but on YouTube, I have always consistently kept between bra strap length hair and waist length hair. And also, when I first got on YouTube, I was at the top of my pants. Like, my hair brushed the top of my pants. And then after that, I had my setbacks from homeless. Just to give you guys more facts again, and this video is not going to be longer than 11 minutes. But We were homeless in 2015 to 2017. My hair broke off because I was in the elements all the time. Then in 2020, I had my son, postpartum shedding, got all of my edges back. Another setback. So all the edges here, all the edges here. And then in 2021, I got COVID, and 45% of the bulk or the density of my hair came out from tilagelate fluvian. So I have had multiple setbacks, but you guys have always seen every step of the way of me telling you guys the truth and showing you guys real accurate results, hairstyles, like things that's really going to help you grow your hair. And I keep it really simple. So I will get on here and just remind my friendly, lovely viewers, the fam bam that's been here for a long time, if you see these comments, or even the new people that has come and joined me, because I do have 31,000 subscribers now. But you guys, the comment section, they're just haters, or else they're not people that actually been here, and I do not lie to my audience. That's how come I don't take sponsorship deals. That's how come I took a couple, but I stopped. I haven't did a sponsorship on my video on my channel unless I truly believe in it, or I've used it for a couple of months. And then even with that, the way that people want you to upload their product really fast when you get it, I'm not about that life. So the couple that I did do, I tested it out, but they were literally on my neck like, okay, you've had the product for like 3 weeks. When are you gonna upload a video or tell us if you like the product or whatever? And it's just giving too much energy. But with that being said, I'm going to show you guys receipts again. So my kinky twist video that I just uploaded, how to kinky twist your hair, I only had the products that I used because I was out of my own DIY products. This is a leave-in spray. It's white. I know that the camera's making it really, I haven't showed you guys how to make that because I'm still fiddling with the spray of being super moisturizing and everything like that. But I make my own products. I have this DIY oil that I make, and I've been making my own DIY oils since 2011. I've been mixing together my own products. And then I also have, and I know this is in the melanin jar, but as you guys can see, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it is yellow. It's giving yellow because, yeah, it's my own whipped shea butter. So I make my own water-based shea butter now. I make my own leave-in sprays. I make my own conditioner bars, shampoo bars. I make my own detangling jellies and my own oil. And that's what I've been using on my hair consecutively besides what I used in that video. I've been using my own products to wash my hair and stuff for the last maybe 6 to 7 months. And when I tell you that my hair from September 21st or 25th to December 17th, my hair is literally back at waist length from that protective style, and also I feel like from using my oils and my own products. Once again, I did not use my products in that video because I didn't have any water-based product made that I made, and I just had to hurry up and use what I had in the cabinet. And honestly, I should almost throw all that crap away that I have in my cabinet because I'm pretty sure it's older than 12 months. But I am just here to show you guys pictures of my hair. The pictures or video that I might insert to show you guys what my hair was before and what it was in December. I'm not sure if I might do pictures or audio or something like that, but my hair is back at waist length already. My hair actually look crazy right now because I am rebraiding the back of my hair. And yeah, this is the back of the nape of my head that was completely bald 2.5 years ago. This is that's completely grown out. So y'all just know, I know the people that follow me and rock with me, and no, you know. And just for you guys that are new, that has come on this, you know, this little bandwagon, y'all know. Or if you don't know, now you know. Okay? And if anybody wants to be like, oh yeah, what she talks about on her channel is not real, or her thumbnails don't be matching up, or I'll be giving false hope, boop. If you be in the comment section and you got my back, like Miss Girl had my back, I think I'm going to put your name on here. Just go back and reference this video and then just put it on a comment, because I don't have time to sit up here and just keep, you know, like, but I am going to show receipts though, and I haven't uploaded the video yet because I be doing stuff, and I have so many videos that is pre-batched. I be doing stuff, and the video that you guys are probably looking at now is from December when I blow dried my hair, and you see the length, ma'am. You see the length. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I have a hair update video for you guys that I'm supposed to be in the same shirt and looking straight like this, but I'll actually be opening up this so y'all can see what's going on with all the new growth that I got within these last 2 months. Yes, these have been up for 2 months and my hair has grown out so much. So if you are interested in seeing this hair update video, you probably won't see it until March, ma'am, because I'm pre-batching, and the business that's going on with this hair right now ain't got nothing to do with you right now, because ma'am, you still back in September, you still back in October, and you probably will just be kissing December's content. But I do make sure that all the things or the methods that I am doing to my hair for me to be comfortable to come and regurgitate all of this information to you guys, and putting so much time and effort into making these videos, I want to make sure it's right. And the people that know, that has been following me for a long time, I've gotten a lot of comments saying how their hair is down their back because we kiss over here. Keep it simple, stupid. That's what we do over here. We're not the latest trend. We're not trying to have the snatches hair. We don't mind our edges not being done over here, and we are completely fine with being the girl next door, not trying to be some chick in Hollywood or the hoe on the corner, okay? And I said it in that order. So if you want real hair growth, come and subscribe to my channel, and you will get real results, ma'am. Watch a lot of my videos. I tell you guys this all the time. If you really want to see who is growing their hair, just start watching their videos from go back. Like, I've been on YouTube since 2014, 2015. Go back to my booty butt old videos. Go back to my old videos, and I am still saying the same dang thing. Like, if we wasn't homeless in 2015, I almost would have had not that many videos to upload or talk about, because I've been saying the same dang thing since 2014, 2015 on here. If I didn't have my son, well, no, because after being homeless and my hair, like, I had a setback with my hair, then I had to show you guys what I was doing to get my hair back thick, luscious, and full. And then after I had my son, after I got it back luscious, I freaking got pregnant. And that took me like 3 years to get my hair back full and beautiful from being homeless and my hair being damaged from the weather. So I've had content to give you guys, because just like life, you go through crap and your hair is going to go through crap too. So me being very transparent with you guys and letting you guys know, hey, my hair is not acting right now. This is what I'm doing to fix it. Let's see if it works. I can't wear mini braids no more, y'all, because the mini braids are too small, and the only way that you can wear mini micro braids like I was wearing is if your hair is super healthy, it's all one length, you don't have flyaways. That's the only way that I can wear my micro mini braids. And my hair has not been that girl since I got pregnant with my son. She hasn't. So that's how come y'all haven't seen micro mini braids on my channel for the past almost 3 years because all of my hair came out. So, oh my God. And then I didn't even tell y'all I had a setback because I almost caught my whole head on fire like Michael Jackson. From my first Mother's Day, I put too much lighter fluid in the grill, and the grill blew up in my face and literally melted and cinched my eyebrows, my eyelashes, and all of my braids over here literally melted together. So I've had several setbacks, but I've showed you guys and told you guys what I'm doing, and also show receipts that what I do, what I put in my hair, and what I'm telling you guys really work. And if you want to believe me, you can believe me. If you don't want to believe me, you know, stop watching it and you ain't got to leave no comment. But if you feel like you want to leave a comment, then your comment is just going to be uncommented. So, yes. Once again, just showing receipts. If you want to do that hairstyle that I did, I would recommend you pick a product that you really trust. But doing natural kinky twist on your hair, they're a lot faster and a lot quicker than mini braids or mini twist. And they come down and like you can redo them really fast and you can put them right back up at the same time. But that's me giving too much away already, because y'all are in the future. No, you in the past. I'm in the future. I don't even know. Y'all in the past because you watching old crap now. But I'm talking in the future because you ain't seen what I've been doing yet and where my hair is right now. So I can't disclose too much, ma'am. Just keep watching. And I'm going to get off here because once again, I done rambled a lot. And, but you've been informed, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.